Today we'll be doing like audio to speech conversation using Python. So for that we'll be needing one module that is called GTTS capital S. So Google text to speech module. So it is available for Python. So let's install it first. So pip install GTTS. Already I have installed it, so I'm not installing again. So to do that, first we need to import the module from GTTS. Import GTTS. Next we need to give the text to it. Which text we need to convert? We want to convert it. It's okay. So hello world for now. Okay, I will be adding another example later on. So next what we can do, we can take language for now will be using en India and English India. Then next we'll be using I will be creating my object obj equal to, it will take GTTS. Then text will be my text. The lang will be language. Then speed, that is called slow. So if you want speed voice, like then what you can do, you can pass as true. Slow, sorry, you need slow voice, uh, then you can use true or false, means it will reduce uh, the speedness of your voice. Okay, so it will be slowly speaking, so that for false. Okay, so this is the thing. Next what you can add is, we need to save it. My object, we need to save my object dot save, and here we need to give the file name. What you can do, hello hello mp3 mp3 or hello dot mp3. Let me do it, then save it. Let's run it. Python audio.py. It will be generating for us hello mp3 and mp3 file. Okay, now we have generated hello.mp3.
Hello world.
Yeah, it is saying hello world, which is have written here hello world. So if we need, for example, there is a bigger sentence. Okay, hello world, then hi, how are you? So if you want a break, then between the speech, what you can do, you can add a comma, so that it will be like it will take some break before starting another string or sentence. So this is a simple example how you can convert text to voice. So you can use this much of code in Python in a computer and a laptop to convert for your need. You don't need to go to any site like free site or open source site. They will be asking for registration and money and everything. But here, one thing, here you can only get the female voice. Okay, so I am working, I will be next video, I will be telling you how you can do with the male voice, and this is working for female voice. Yeah, this is the update, and this is the way how you can convert text to speech.